fix Disney Plus keeps buffering. So to fix buffering issues on the Disney Plus mobile app, you can start by resetting your network connection. Scroll down the control center from the top of your screen. Now, if your Wi-Fi is on, turn off your Wi-Fi, then wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Now, if you're on a cellular data, simply switch to Wi-Fi as mobile networks can fluctuate. Now, the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache on an Android device and then upload the app on an iOS device. Now, on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to Settings, then go to General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Then find the Disney Plus from the list, or you can just simply tap on the search bar at the bottom and then type Disney Plus. Now tap Upload App and then tap Upload App one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the Reinstall App button right here. Tap the Reinstall App button or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Disney Plus app and then download it and then reinstall it from there. Now the next thing what you can do is check for updates. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Disney Plus, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.